Welcome, readers. Thank you for stopping by. Today we'll be reading Bats by Martha London. Chapter 1, Flying at Night. Chapter 2, Mammals with Wings. Chapter 3, Strong Senses. That's Amazing. Echolocation. And Chapter 4, Life in a Group. Chapter 1, Flying at Night. A bat swoops across the night sky. It is hunting. The bat flaps its wings, then it grabs a moth in its mouth. Bats live in many countries around the world. Bats often live in caves or trees. Sometimes bats roost in the attics of houses. These dark places protect bats from predators. Fun fact, there are hundreds of different species of bats. Chapter 2, Mammals with Wings. A bat's body is covered in fur. The fur is often gray, red, or brown. Bats have sharp teeth. Many bats have large ears. Bats are the only mammals that fly. Some bats' wings spread 6 feet across. Other bats are only a few inches wide. A bat's wings have thin skin. The skin goes over long bones. Fun fact, the world's smallest bat is the size of a thumbnail. Chapter 3, Strong Senses. Bats use their senses to stay safe. Bats have good hearing. They listen for predators such as hawks and snakes. Bats also use their senses to find food. Some bats eat fruit. Most bats eat insects. Bats listen for the sounds the insects make. Many bats have good eyesight too. They can see in the dark. Fun fact, bats can eat more than 1,000 mosquitoes every hour. That's amazing. Echolocation. Many bats use echolocation to find food. Bats make high-pitched sounds. The sound waves bounce off nearby objects. They bounce back to the bats. Bats sense these echoes. The echoes create a kind of picture for bats. Bats use it to know where the objects are. Chapter 4, Life in a Group. Most bats live in large groups. These groups are called colonies. The bats in a colony work together to hunt and to raise babies. Some colonies have just a few bats. Others have millions. The bats rest during the day. They hang upside down. Then they fly out at night. Bats help keep insect numbers under control. They also help pollinate plants. Life cycle. Most female bats have one baby at a time. The baby stays with its mother. She feeds it milk. After a few weeks, the baby bat learns to fly and find food. Depending on the species, bats can take months or years to become adults. Some bats live more than 30 years. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more videos just like this one.